Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to do a very quick and easy makeup look that takes me just about 5 minutes or less. In fact, I'm going to set a timer so I can show you how quickly this can be done. I've been doing the same type of look, the same type of makeup for now a month or so because I cannot and do not want to spend too much time getting ready every morning. I've also been sick, so I just needed a little bit of makeup to look a little bit more alive and fresh and put together without spending too much time and piling up too much product on my skin. To do this type of makeup look, I've been using the products that come in the Beautycounter Flawless in 5 makeup kit. It is a value kit that contains 6 makeup products that are significantly more expensive when purchased individually but offer much more value when purchased in this kit. And I really like these products because they help me to quickly put together this fresh and minimalistic face that helps me to get ready very quickly every morning. The products that come in the kit are a foundation, a concealer, a brow pencil or brow gel, depending on your choice, a mascara, a blush, and a lip gloss. The foundation is called Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation, and it's a light coverage product that evens out the skin tone, disguises redness, but feels more like a tinted moisturizer. It is truly hydrating, lightweight, and feels comfortable. This is the only foundation I've been able to wear lately after experiencing a serious reaction to a skincare product that left my skin stinging and peeling off for weeks. This was the only base product that agreed with my skin, did not irritate it any further, and did not enhance the dryness and the peeling. The concealer is a light reflecting concealer pen. It has a clicking mechanism to dispense the product, and one click dispenses enough product for both eyes, at least for me. It is brightening with light coverage, and although it has such a creamy formula, I don't apply powder on top because it has such a flexible texture. The eyebrow product that I chose to use is the eyebrow pencil, but you can actually choose between a brow pencil and a brow gel, which I have and I really like, especially the tinted one. I chose this pencil because my brows have a few empty spots that I do not like, so I filled them in. And the pencil is double-sided. It has a spoolie side to brush the hairs and blend the product, and then a pencil side to fill the eyebrows in. Next we have a blush, and when you select the products for your kit, you get to pick the shade of your choice. And the Beautycounter website provides a shade suggestion based on the foundation that you pick, so you can easily find a color that suits your complexion. However, I picked my favorite shade, which is called Date, and it's a super pretty, warm terracotta shade. Next we have a mascara. You can choose between a lengthening mascara and a volumizing one. I chose the volumizing one simply because I read so many positive reviews, and once I tried it, I became a huge fan. It has become my go-to mascara. I like to apply a couple of coats, let it dry, and then curl my lashes with a curler, and the curl lasts all day. Finally, we have a lip gloss. If you watch my previous video about Beautycounter makeup, which you can find in the upper right corner of this video, then you'll know that their lip gloss formula is my favorite. It offers great shine, but it's not sticky, and it keeps my lips moisturized, which is everything that I want from a lip gloss. It comes in many flattering shades, and I chose the color Rosewood, which is a neutral mauve nude. That's sort of your lips but better type of color. And again, the Beautycounter website will suggest a shade for you based on the foundation color you pick, so if you don't know what to choose, they make it easier for you. Okay, so I laid my products here, and I don't know why I find this stressful. I think it's because I'm using a timer, because when I do it every morning, it really takes me about 2-3 minutes. But the fact that I'm using a timer makes it a little bit more stressful. But let's do this challenge. I think we can do it. I think we got it. Okay, so hair out on my face and timer starts now. So I'm gonna find this on my brush. This going straight is probably still wet. I like how this foundation evens on my skin tone. cheeks. This is enough. Okay, great. Eyebrows. And now, mascara. Okay, this will blush first. Why not? Blend the edges with foundation brush. Alright, and now mascara, mascara, mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes before I start it. And 35 seconds left. I'm gonna use lip gloss. Oh, this color is so pretty. And we're done. And the alarm is about to go off. Less than 5 minutes. I told you it was so easy. And so pretty. I love that blush. Okay. So this is it. This is my 3 to 5 makeup routine that I've been doing every day or almost every day for the past few weeks. As you can see, this is just enough for me to feel and look a little bit more awakened and fresh every morning when I can use those extra 10 minutes of sleep, which I always do, I always need. So as you can see, these products work really well for this purpose. I like how the foundation is so hydrating and comfortable and can be applied so quickly because it has light coverage. It has that brightening effect and the evening effect. It evens out the skin tone so well, and I can just swirl it around with a brush very quickly. I don't need to do a lot of blending. It looks really great in daylight as well because it's not too heavy in coverage, so it looks very natural. It's very hydrating and comfortable. It actually feels like skincare to me. It feels very hydrating and comfortable, and it doesn't feel like I have makeup sitting on my skin, which is a feeling that I don't really like. So it's just perfect for me for every day. And I've also been really enjoying the mascara formula and also the mascara wand. I like how the mascara wand is fluffy. It's a little bit thick, but it doesn't get all over my eyelids. I have very small eyelid space, and so when I use mascara wands that are really thick, they typically tend to just leave marks and just smear all over my eyelids, and this one does not do that. It leaves my eyelids looking pretty clean. And I also appreciate how it holds the curl all day. I haven't even curled my lashes yet. I'm letting the mascara dry first and then I'm gonna curl them, but as you can see, it actually does something for my lashes. It keeps them lifted, which is quite impressive considering how straight and downward looking my lashes are. So I really like that. I typically get this effect with waterproof mascaras, but then they're so difficult to remove. So I really like this formula. I also, well, I already mentioned, I love the lip gloss formula. It's so comfortable. It's moisturizing, hydrating, and it comes in all these really pretty flattering shades, and this to me is the perfect nude for every day. And the shade again is called Rosewood, and I really like it. And it doesn't have, just so you know, that tingling feeling that a lot of lip glosses have, that I think can be a little bit irritating for some people. So it feels really comfortable, like a balm but with great shine, and it's non-sticky at all. So I've been really enjoying these products, and I really recommend checking out the Flawless in 5 kit. I will leave a link in the info box below this video for you to check it out, and if I can find any current promotion that you can take advantage of, I'll make sure to mention it in the info box below this video. So I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I would really like to know, what are your must-have products for everyday makeup when you are in a rush and you want to get ready and look put together? What do you grab? Do you grab the concealer, the foundation, or the blush, or a lip balm? What are your must-have? I would love to know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel so you will know when I upload my next video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Ciao.